to you, Dai. Today po, pag-usapan po natin yung friendship. So, ano po yung meaning ng friendship for you? Okay? Let's talk about friendship. Reflective writing. What does friendship mean to you? A lot of kinds of friendship. There are times that friendship is a blessing that can make you the happiest and most successful person in the world, no matter what your status is. Friends means fight for you, R, respect for you, I, include you, E, encourage you, N, need you, D, deserve you, S, stand by you. So, what friendship means to you? Friendship means understanding, not agreement. It means forgiveness, not forgetting. It means the memories and last even if contact will lost. Friendship is not something you learn in school, but if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. What it fills you, kind of friendship did you want? Or did you have a friendship? What is friendship when complete? Test to share all your joy and grief. Test to learn and do relief from the tongue, the heart, the hand, teeth, to house and land. For friend be sold a slave, tis to die upon a grief. If a friend thereon to lie. Good friends are hard to find, harder to leave, and impossible to forget. And these are the other kind of friendship. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but know they are always be there. Please be remembered that friendship isn't about whom you have known the longest. It is about who came and never left you in your sight. But I just remind you, a true friend doesn't care if you're rich or poor. If you being an ass, what you wear that you look like. If your house is a mess, what car you drive, or if you have a family of crazy people. Your conversation will pick you up where they leave off, even the months have passed by. They will be there for you when you need them most. And despite of your faults, will love you with all their hearts and cherish the times spent with you. And that is friendship. Thank you for watching. It is Nature Love.